Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are talking about all of my most used products of 2021, both high-end and drugstore. But not only that, we're also going to be talking about the products that I used the least in 2021. And really quickly, I want to say thank you so much to every single one of you that has been a part of my channel in 2021. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of the love, all of the comments, all of the shares of my video, all of the interaction that you guys give that really help to boost my channel. And you know the drill. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you get notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump on in to my most and least used products of 2021. So first, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my high-end products. So let's go ahead and go in with my most used product of 2021. This is the product line that I used the most. Curlsmith. I know this is no surprise to anybody, but I used my Curlsmith products more than any other product. They got the most love from me. My hair got the most love from them. I'll quickly go through some of my all-time favorite products from them. This is the Scalp Stimulating Booster and their Full Length Density Elixir. This was my most used product probably from that brand, and it's their Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. Gives my hair tons of volume. The Hydro Style Flexi Jelly is hands down the bomb. And then their Shape Up Aqua Gel. This one actually has protein in it, which helps to repair the hair. I love it so much. And then this product right here. This is their Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It's kind of like the Olaplex number 3, helps to restore the bonds in the hair. Love, love, love. The next brand that I just love, you guys, and that is the Lus brand. L-U-S, the Love Your Curls. Obsessed with them. They're probably the most used shampoo and conditioner that I used throughout 2021. Just very gentle and just gets the job done. Their all-in-one cream is my most used product of 2021 for refreshing my hair. I also love this right out of the shower as a fresh styler, but when I go to refresh my hair, this is probably the number one product that I reach for. Their deep conditioner is hands down my favorite deep conditioner on the market. And then this is my most used oil. It is the Lus Elixir Oil. It's so good. The Olaplex brand. These two products in particular are my most used. The Olaplex number 3, shocker, right? And then the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. It's so dang good. I also love the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I can't remember the numbers. I think it's 4 and 5 or something like that. But these two are definitely my most used. I didn't talk about this brand quite as much as I used to, but that was because I was trying out so many new brands, but there's still a holy grail line for me, and that is the Inner Sense Organic line. This is the most clean line, I think, on the market. Very concentrated formulas, so a little bit goes a very long way. My favorite styling products from them is their I Create Volume Lotion, so good. The I Create Hold Gel, and then the I Create Lift Volumizing Foam. One of my favorite volumizing foams. Now let's talk about some of the high-end brands that I didn't necessarily dislike, because I do like all of these products, but they are not products that I reached for, and I can't exactly put my finger on exactly why I didn't reach for them. Jessie Curl line. I have a lot of products from Jessie Curl. I used to use them so much, almost religiously when I first started my curly hair journey, but I don't find myself reaching for them. I don't know why, because they are really good. They're good, so don't get me wrong. They just kind of sat and collected dust in my product collection, which makes me really sad because I hate for any products to go to waste. I had so many people reach out to me about this product asking me, do I love it, because this brand used me in their ad. I never got paid from this brand. I've actually never worked to do a collaboration with this brand, but they saw one of my videos, they used a little piece of my video, or used one of my videos, and it kind of blew up, so people continued to reach out to me and ask me about this brand. This is the Coconut Natural and Toxic Free brand. This is their curl booster, and then they have a spray. I think I got rid of the spray already, but it does work, and I've used it multiple times, and I do really enjoy what it does for my curls. But it does dry my hair out some kind of bad if I don't use a really good leave-in. It's probably right there, honestly. So I've maybe used this much of this product. So I just didn't reach for it. Pattern Beauty brand. I don't know, you guys. There was something about this line that just, it didn't wow me. It was okay. It was just okay. And there's so many other lines that I get amazing results with, that the brands that are just okay just don't really cut it for me anymore. And then the last line, Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream. I got their little sample set as well. I enjoyed it when I tried it out. I did, and to be honest, I think the reason that I don't reach for this is because overall 2021 was not a curly hair cream styler year for me. It just wasn't. I went through that hair disaster. I lost a lot of my hair. I got COVID. I lost even more hair. My hair was just, my hair has been through the ringer. I have realized that my hair just doesn't really like creams that much. And so I've just not been reaching for really many cream products at all. I typically go for a mousse or a gel or a combination of the two. Moving right along, we're gonna jump into the drugstore, or the more affordable brands that I reached for the absolute most. They got the most love from me. The Eva NYC brand. I really enjoyed this brand. I have probably been through 2 to 3 bottles of this. This is their Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. Then their deep conditioner, I can't remember what it's called. I don't have any more left, but it is really good as well. And then this product right here, this is their Detox Exfoliating Salt Shampoo. Really good to help exfoliate the scalp and just get in there and kind of clarify. The next brand that I know you guys heard me talk about this brand so much. It's so good. It's so good. This is the Hask Curl Care line. This is a line that you can find at your local Walmart. I love the shampoo and conditioner. I also love the cream product, but these are the two that I use the absolute most. And that is their Curl Enhancing Mousse, and then their Curl Shaping Jelly. And I wanna say that each product is like $5.99 or $6.50 or something like that. Like, it's between $5 and $6 at Walmart. If you're looking for a really good, affordable hair care line for your curls, this is it. The next one, and I don't have the styling product that I use because I let my daughter use it, but the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls line. I was very impressed with this line. I enjoy the shampoo and conditioner. I enjoyed the styling product. Wasn't my most used drugstore brand, but definitely one that I reached for a lot. Now we are up to my number 1 most used affordable line. It is difficult to find and it drives me bananas, and that is the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls line. I think I've gone through 3 tubs of this year, and that's a lot considering the amount of products that I use, that I get sent, that I go through, that I'm constantly testing out. To constantly go back to a product as a curly hair influencer means that it is an awesome product. So this is their curl boosting mousse, and then their light hold jelly. I am obsessed with these 2 products. I actually find a lot of mine at TJ Maxx, which I hate to say that because people are like, don't buy stuff from TJ Maxx. You don't know if it's real, you don't know. Okay, these products, I think they're real because I get really great results from them. and I get mine at TJ Maxx. But I recently found 2 new products. I thought they were the same products, but in different packaging, like updated packaging. But I got them home, tried them out, and realized that they're actually different products. This is their Volume Loving Mousse, and then this is their Flexi Firm Hold Coconut Curl Jelly. Y'all, I think I actually enjoy these even more than the originals. Dippity Doo Girls with Curls line is just one of those that works. It just works for my hair, and I love them so much. Now we are finally down to the last little product collection here, and that is the affordable drugstore brands that I just did not reach for and that I probably will not repurchase in 2022. The first product is one that I used to use so much, and it is the Eco Professional Styling Gel. This is a really great product if you're looking for a good firm hold gel that's gonna help your curls last, help your wash day to last that extra few days. Unfortunately, I just have a lot of other gels that I love and that I use and that I reach for way more. Garnier Fructis Curl Treat line. I don't use them anymore. I don't reach for them. These maybe cause a little extra buildup on my hair. So I just don't reach for them. They don't get the love from me that a product should. And I also had this product and I used it like one time and it just was not for me. This is their Pure Clean Styling Gels. I will not be repurchasing these. Next product line, I know so many of you love so many of their products. There's only maybe 1 or 2 products that I really love. Shea Moisture line. I've thrown away so many Shea Moisture products. I really have. They just don't work for me. Not just this product, just Shea Moisture in general just doesn't seem to work for my hair. And I have too many other products that I love to be going out and spending tons of money just to try and see if a product will work. The only product that I will repurchase from Shea Moisture is their Manuka Honey Power Protein Treatment. That is an amazing protein treatment for the hair. Outside of that, Shea Moisture just isn't, it's just not for me. I want to keep reiterating, I'm not saying these are bad products, and I'm not saying that I will never ever use any products from this line, but this is a line that I just did not reach for this year, and that is this. I know. I don't ever use the cream. I don't ever use the gel anymore. I will probably keep the mousse. I probably have like maybe 1 or 2, maybe 1 more application left in here. Just like the Garnier products, I feel like leave a little bit of buildup on my hair. Sometimes you just have to part ways when you stop seeing the results that you want to see from a product. And that, my friends, is it. That is all of the products from 2021 that I adored and that I have to part ways with. If you love these products, then by all means, you keep using what works for you. And that is it for 2021, folks. I will see you in 2022, and I hope you have an amazing New Year's Day. Peace out.